Hi, I'm Jessica. Today we're going to go over sometime as two words, sometime as one word, and sometimes. Okay, let's start with sometime. If you say sometime as one word, this is actually an adverb. It means at an unspecified or unknown time in the past or in the future. Let me give you a couple examples. I would like to go to the beach sometime. Amber went to Egypt sometime in March. So for the first sentence, I would like to go to the beach sometime. This means not a specific time, not necessarily tomorrow or in a week. Sometime in the future, I want to go. Amber went to Egypt sometime in March. Maybe you don't remember when Amber went to Egypt, but you know she went in March. So sometime in March, she went to Egypt. You can usually replace sometime with someday or at some point. So again, if we said Amber went to Egypt sometime in March, then Amber went to Egypt at some point, at some time in March. I would like to go to the beach sometime. I would like to go to the beach someday. The next one is sometime. Sometime as two words means a period of time, usually a long span of time. Let me give you a couple examples with this. It will take some time to get to the beach. It will take some time to get to the beach. So it will take a period of time. Maybe it will take us a couple hours because there's a lot of traffic. Or maybe we don't live near the beach at all and it will take maybe 5 hours. So it will take some time to get there. Let me give you another sentence example. For some time, they didn't know the business was bankrupt. So for a period of time, they didn't know the business was bankrupt. The last one is sometimes. Sometimes. You may have heard this one a lot. This is an adverb that means occasionally. Sometimes I like to go to the beach. Or you could put sometimes at the end of the sentence and say, I like to go to the beach sometimes. Or I sometimes like to go to the beach. I can put it in front of the verb. So at the beginning, at the end, or in front of the verb. Another example with sometimes is sometimes I don't understand what you're saying. Maybe you watch my videos, or if you're one of my students and I teach you in class, you might say, sometimes I don't understand Jessica, or I don't understand Jessica sometimes. So it might be because I'm using vocabulary that you don't know, or I'm speaking too quickly. Okay, let's practice. I'm going to give you 3 sentences, and you need to fill in the blanks with sometime, sometime, or sometimes. Number 1, I work out or exercise at the gym. Which one should it be? You should have said sometimes. Sometimes I work out at the gym. Number 2, I haven't been to Santa Monica Beach. I would like to visit it. And go ahead and fill in the blank. I would like to visit it sometime, an unspecified time in the future. Okay, the last one. I can't bake a cake today. It will take to get the ingredients and make it. Maybe you want to make a fancy cake. So it will take some time to get the ingredients and make it. Hopefully it's clear now how to use all 3 of these. The best way to see if you're using them correctly is to write me a sentence. Put a comment using sometime, sometime, and sometimes. Then I'll check and see if you're using it correctly and give you feedback. Hope you're doing well. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye.